I showed you some sparks, so maybe now you'll listen to me.
Alright, and now without further ado,
This is garbage. This Q&A episode, episode 1, well, now that I think about it, all episode 1s are pretty bad. But anyway, Q&A episode 1 was not that great. The lighting wasn't great, all the reactions weren't even fresh, and I didn't even allow you to ask personal questions. So this episode 2, we're doing something different. That's right, Q&A episode 2 is coming out in exactly 1 month from now. But Clayton, why another Q&A episode? I mean, isn't that just popping out of nowhere? No, actually it's not. Do the math. July 1st is today, and when did I start my channel? August 1st, which means today, this channel is exactly 11 months old. But that's not exciting. Right, but do the math. What's exactly 1 month from now? 12 months of this channel existing, which, do the math again, is 1 year. Yes, the 1 year anniversary of this YouTube channel is happening in exactly 1 month from now. Which, ironically, is the same anniversary as Jay from Plasma channels. This time you can ask personal questions. You can ask me questions about my life, so go as wild as you want. But don't ask me for my address or phone number, because at that point I just won't answer. Most of my personal information that's kind of, broad is already shared due to my interview with David Osman just a while back. Number 2, all my reactions will be fresh. I will turn notifications off for this video so that when I'm viewing all the questions in Q&A, it's going to be a fresh first reaction. And with personal questions on the table, I think those reactions will be pretty good, pretty funny, that is. So long story short, Q&A episode 1 sucks, so this time you're allowed to ask me personal questions and all my reactions will be fresh. So you guys, please post questions down below, personal or relevant to science. Choose either one. So it's pretty important that you leave a question down below so that I have a Q&A episode to do for my 1 year anniversary. Now, we're gonna do all the fun stuff like sparks and unboxing. If you watched Zach's update video, he mentioned a half-bridge solid-state Tesla coil project that yet again, I am going to be collaborating with him on. And we designed some of our own PCBs for that, and they arrived today. The main board and the doubler. The doubler is actually designed by me. It's my first PCB, so I'm super excited about this because it has my logo on it and everything. Oh, it's beautiful! But now you know it's mine because it has my face on it. See, look, that's my face. It's on a PCB. Well, I guess that's everything. Want to see me draw some more sparks? Of course you do. Come on, let's go do some more high voltage.